So guys, this is the plan that I have come up with, so I'm gonna try to install this somehow, some way. Okay, let's try this way. So the moment of truth, guys, I'm gonna try to start this engine once again to see if this is gonna run properly. Actually, I just remember that I have one more thing to do. When I got this car, I realized that the cap on the cooling liquid container over here, the tank for the antifreeze, is actually damaged. The rubber seal is gone. So I realized that the seal actually is sitting on the bottom of the container, and by a pure coincidence, the other Mercedes that I showed you, it came with some parts with it, spare parts. So I have the spare tank. It's not the same, but I think the cap is gonna fit. As you can see, it is very, very good condition. Let's try it. Now this problem is solved as well, so let's try to start this thing. So guys, at least it starts. It still has some problems. I'm gonna try to figure out them, but it is gonna be for another video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this content, you may consider subscribing. Stay safe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.